in Affinity Photo how to create some happy text or text smiling. Well, just go over here and I'm just going to select the ellipse tool, circle, hold down the shift to create a circle. Once I've done that, I can then move it around, but also I can go over here. I can select the artistic text tool. So select that, and then as you hover over this, you can see you get this text curve just applied to the part itself. So just click, and now you can type something. I'm just going to go for raised text, and you can see the text is inside. For you, it might be outside, depends on the setting. So what you can do, you can go here. Just move this around. As you move that around, you can see now you've got it sort of slightly depressing. It's gone the wrong way. It's not particularly smiling. Well, what you can do, you can also just go up here and click reverse text path, and it'll put it above. Wow, that's on top of the hill now. It's curved like that. But say you want it down the bottom and you want it to be nicely smiling. What you can do, just go up here, and again, just click here, and now simply just drag this around. Now you'll notice you've got this other one here, and I'm just going to drag that around there, and I'm just going to continue to drag that around there. So I want it all the way around. Now, personally, I prefer just to put that there, just like there. And then I can just move that around, and you can see then you've got some smiley text. Now, of course, you might like to change this a bit. What you can do, again, use the move tool. Let's just move that up there. And now what I can do, go back again, and you can see you've got here baseline. And you can click here, and as you do that, you can see you put it, say it's in the middle. It's in the middle of that. Or you might want it outside, so you've got raised text there. You can also manipulate it further here. Just go here, and you can see you've got options here in the character. And maybe decide, you know what, let's just change that, just tweak that bit, maybe change the width, maybe reduce it down. But the first thing you do is you need to select it, because you notice nothing's changing. So just make certain you select it, and then just go there, and then as you do that, you can see the text is crunched in there. And again, of course, you can still go there and move it around, so it's still smiling text. And of course, you can always at any time put it back inside just by clicking here. So you can just click there. That's the key thing. Just click this to put it inside or outside of this circle. And of course, you can do this with other text as well. Obviously, I'm using a circle, but it can be used with stars or any other part design. Maybe just a basic line. Hope you found this of interest. Please add a thumbs up, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials all the time about Photoshop, Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer and many others. Bye.